here's the number one most misunderstood thing about going viral if you own a business and you're posting on social media. And you know what, even if you don't own a business and you want to go viral, you might want to listen to this too. So number one is going viral does not ensure sales. It doesn't ensure that you're going to get more business for your business. Going viral also increases the chances that you're going to get a whole slew of followers that are not really interested in what you're selling. And therefore you're going to get a lot of followers who don't even really care about what you're saying after the fact. So maybe they see your viral video, they follow you, and then you provide a lot more great content about what your business offer is, and then they don't watch your videos, and that actually makes your videos do worse in the algorithm because your followers are not even watching your video. I think something else that is much less talked about is just how toxic it can be to go viral. And this is true for business owners and also just regular people who don't have businesses that go viral. It can be very toxic to see all kinds of super negative comments. People are just mean for no reason. I mean, I know this just from running ads for years and years. People leave all kinds of troll comments on my ads all the time, and at first it was super hard. It would be like a little dagger to my heart to see like how cruel people could be. But ultimately you do learn to tune this out. But many people experience this really toxic